Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mike is Live. I welcome you to our channel. So today we are going to do unboxing of Logitech K120 and this is gonna be our keyboard. So let's unbox it. Man, this cover is so hard. So guys look, this is our new keyboard here. And box is so hard. And our keyboard has come with a plastic wrap and just little tiny manual. So we'll read it later and first. This plastic is way more better than any keyboard. So let's check out our keyboard and let's check out our keyboard. Wait, let me. So we have finally unboxed our keyboard and let's check this button. And before checking this button, this is fully made for office work and some of gamers like me can use it for gaming also. But mostly it is used for office work. So let's check this key. And this is our notepad and let's check our keys. Man, these keys are so fine and these are so smooth that my fingers are running over it. And if you think you want to buy this, you can buy it on Flipkart. I'll share this keyboard's link in description. Purchase it from Flipkart only. They are amazing offers. And Logitech has made this keyboard, man. Smooth keys. Logitech has made a fine product called this keyboard. And price of this keyboard is only 749. So you can purchase it and you know what you can do. Bye bye.